My name is Gwen Malaska. I teach in a mildly cognitive impairment class here at the EUP ISD Center, and I have been teaching for 35 years. In my program, I do a little bit of everything. I can still focus on academics, so I can still expect their reading to improve a lot, their math to improve a lot, their writing, but I also work with them on work-based learning so that they're prepared for jobs when they leave high school and go into the world. I have a hydroponics unit in my classroom, and I teach them about plants and growing them, and we are able to provide the center here with salads, because we don't get salads with our lunches, and my students are so thrilled about that, and so are the other students within our center. My goal there is to teach them something that can be a benefit to them in their life, like they can grow vegetables, they can grow plants. So we go to a store and work at a store where the students learn everything. They even have some of them on the till, the cash register. Then we go to the animal shelter and they learn all the things that they need to know there. We also work at a restaurant, so they're learning all the things there as well. And then we go and work at the public library in Red Yard. So it's a broad range of skills that they're learning. They're learning how to follow directions. They're learning all the different skills that they need in those areas, which just gives them one more opportunity to be the person who might get the job when they get a job interview. When the student light bulb goes off and they realize that they can, and then there's no stopping them. I have a student who came to me about 5 years ago, and she was just so reluctant to read, and now she says, I can read. I read everything. I read everywhere I go. And that, to me, that is the most rewarding, when you see them succeeding in things that they were even convinced that they couldn't do. The first thing I would tell a student to do is go observe some classrooms while they're in high school. There's a broad range of classrooms you can be part of as a special education teacher, and not everybody has the same interests. Don't be afraid to try new things with the students that are going to benefit them. Don't be afraid to try new even reading programs in your class or math, because you never know what will work for one student might not work for another student.